Gamers, meet your new best friend, the Apex Pro TKL 2023. Instant tech insights here, bringing the future of gaming keyboards to your setup. Experience unparalleled customization with its adjustable mechanical switches. Tailor your keystrokes from featherlight to deep and tactical, all while enjoying rapid response times perfect for every game genre. Built to last, its rugged design withstands the most intense gaming sessions. Plus, its compact TKL form factor gives you more desk space for those crucial mouse movements. Want to dive deeper into the Apex Pro TKL 2023's features? Race over to our channel for the full in-depth review. Smash that like button, subscribe for the cutting edge in tech, and share your ultimate gaming setup in the comments. Your dream keyboard awaits.